how to trim a video on CapCut PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how can you trim any video on CapCut PC. So as you can see, I've opened my CapCut PC over here. Now simply open or import any sort of video over here. Now just select this plus icon to bring the video to the editor section over here. Now to trim video, what you can basically do is just select this pointer or leave this pointer to wherever you want to trim or split your video to. So for now I'll simply select this or leave this pointer to right over here where I want my video to be trimmed or splitted. Now you can also click on the Ctrl B shortcut on your keyboard, or you can just tap on this split button over here. Now I'll simply select this part over here, and as you can see my video has been successfully split into two different sections. You can also perform this action repeatedly to create more than two splitted videos just like that. So you can even delete the splitted videos just like this. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to channels.
See you on the next one.